2018. The time is 7:24. Alright, let's quickly have a look at this one. I don't have much time. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin. The last time we were talking about this, I think this bearish trend line was broken, and then we spoke about this the neckline of this head and shoulder here, and then I mentioned that this was gonna be very difficult to break this one at once. I expected the price to come back here and bounce and then come and retest and eventually break this area, and it looked like it happened that way. There was a dump yesterday. In fact, went all the way down to this area, which sort of happened to be the neckline of double top that formed there. So if we are here, it's either we break this double top, we come down to this area, or we bounce off this neckline and then we go back to retest this this area, which is also a neckline for this inverse head and shoulder that we've been waiting for. So far, I think we might see the price moving along this area. There's a lot of bearish sentiment with a lot of FUD happening out in the market there. So yeah, if you've been in Bitcoin, you know these things do happen. Something that I need to talk about is a hack that happened yesterday on Binance. Yesterday, let's just look at VIA on Binance. VIA coin. Alright, what happened here? You can see the price pumped within a minute. It went up more than what, 100,000%. What happened here is the hacker managed to phish some of the accounts, 31 of them, over time. So you know the phishing is when they sort of created a mimic account, a mimic website of Binance, and then they take your credential, and then they managed to log in within 2 minutes. They were selling everything on those accounts and buying via BTC. Via coin. So that's what happened. The price shoot up all the way up there, but Binance proved again that it's one of the best exchange in the world. They managed to this in fact trigger something on their system, on the security system, and then they managed to stop everything. Only 31 accounts were affected, and the hackers in fact lost their money, so they couldn't even withdraw. But this goes back to the security video that I did not so long ago. I'll ask you to go back and have a look at that video. The exchange is not a place to save your coins. I know it's impractical and impossible not to have anything on the exchange, but you need to reduce your holding at exchange. Your holdings at exchange must be very minimal. Most of the coins you can store them on a ERC compatible wallet like my Ether wallet, where you control your keys. So or even better, get the hard wallet, where you know that you are almost 100% safe, because the biggest risk that we have while we are investing and trading in cryptocurrency is security by far. So we need to be very careful. Protect your email. Go back and watch that security video. Protect your email. Something that I don't do at all, I try not to do unless I'm out of the country, it's going into public Wi-Fi. I like 100% don't go into public Wi-Fi. It doesn't worth it. So please look after your phone. Look after your your computer, especially if you're using the Windows computer. You are going to have the malwares and the viruses on your computer, so you need to make sure that you've got a strong antivirus. All right, stay safe there, and yeah, it's still the altcoins are still suppressed. I still see great opportunities buying here and there, accumulating bit by bit, not going all at the same price. You buy bit by bit and average down as the price goes down, because the alt season will come back soon, and we will all forget about this bearish season. You just take one altcoin season to go back and make enough for the bearish season. Alright, it was Mpo here once again. If you've got anything, do not hesitate to let me know. I'll try to answer to the best of my ability. Stay calm and be humble.